This is Josh with RGB Halo Kits, and in this video we're going to be installing our 11 to 14 Dodge Charger Spec-D DRL boards. Step 1, to open your headlights, preheat your oven to 250 degrees. We're going to be baking at 15 minutes at a time. Please be sure to fully preheat your oven before putting your headlight inside. Next, go ahead and use some gloves and grab the hot headlight out the oven. You can begin prying the headlight using a small flathead tool, or you can sometimes just use force and pull the lens from the housing. Next, remove your factory white DRL boards by removing the 3 screws holding them in place. Next, go ahead and align your multicolored DRL boards. These can be installed either using the factory screws, or if needed, you can use a slightly bigger screw since the factory screws are very small. After your DRL boards are now installed, go ahead and drill a small hole for your LED wire. Next, using our butyl sealant, go ahead and put a bead around the entire headlight. If you don't have butyl sealant, you can purchase this at rgbhalokits.com. Next, we're going to take the hole we drilled earlier and we're going to insert one of our LED wire glands. This will provide a nice watertight seal for your LED wires coming out your headlight. If you need wire glands, you can purchase these on rgbhalokits.com. Go ahead and take your multicolor wires and feed them through the gland. Go ahead and put your lens back on as you continue to feed your wires through the wire gland. Rebake your headlight for 15 minutes at 250 degrees. Once you pull your headlight out the oven, go ahead and sit on a nice flat surface. You're going to want to firmly push the lens into the housing. After you have pushed the lens and the housing together, go go ahead and use some clamps. You can use C-clamps or any type of holding clamps. Clamp around the headlight. After you finish clamping around the entire headlight, let your headlight sit for 30 minutes to 1 hour to cool. Next, go ahead and remove your clamps after your headlight is cool. Next, go ahead and wire your multicolored LEDs. Please follow the included wiring guide and download the app RGB Halo Kit. Finally, your install is now complete and you're now ready to enjoy your brand new multicolored DRL lights.